Have you been contemplating a media wall for some time but find it hard to envision it in your home? Or perhaps you're seeking inspiration for an upcoming renovation. You've landed in the right spot. We've curated some of our favorite installations to ignite your creativity for your next project. Media walls have become a highly sought-after interior design trend, serving as a stylish yet functional way to integrate your flat-screen TV and living room heating into one cohesive unit. Moreover, each media wall can be customized to suit your specific preferences. After selecting your ideal electric fire model, your installation will be tailored to your unique taste, allowing you to maximize your space and achieve the home makeover of your dreams. Made to stand out, a media wall installation can serve as a stunning centerpiece in any room, and there are countless ways to personalize your design to make it uniquely yours. Typically, a media wall becomes the focal point of the room, and some homeowners choose to enhance this feature by painting it a different color from the rest of the space. A splash of color effectively captures attention and makes the design pop. It's also an excellent way to harmonize the interior of your home. Consider matching the color of your cushions or curtains with your feature wall. We adore this beautiful forest green media wall designed by Midland Smooth Finishes. Maximizing space. We often see customers from Solution Fires incorporating symmetrical alcoves into their media wall displays, providing visually appealing storage while showcasing accessories, books, or cherished family photos. For an added touch, you can illuminate your shelves with strategically placed recessed spotlights, as showcased below by our retailer Fires and Stoves in Chester. This must be one delighted customer. Thinking outside the box. While media walls are typically installed in living rooms, they can also enhance other areas of your home. You can elevate your bedroom TV experience by incorporating an electric fire, creating an inviting ambiance. If you're concerned about space for a full media wall in your bedroom, a compact corner installation can be a perfect solution that still delivers a striking effect. The finishing touches. Once your media wall is in place and ready to be enjoyed, it's time to accessorize and infuse your personal style. We love how At Home Hardwick has enhanced her media wall with a large wicker basket and luxurious blankets, emphasizing the warm and inviting atmosphere of her Solution Fire. If you're a nature enthusiast, consider bringing the outdoors inside with a statement houseplant. A thoughtfully designed TV wall can significantly enhance movie nights while also addressing practical living needs. When turned off, television screens can sometimes detract from the room's aesthetics, especially when unsightly wires or cables are visible. However, there are many clever and stylish TV wall ideas that can help conceal your TV or integrate it seamlessly into your living space. Thankfully, advancements in technology have allowed TVs to transform into pieces of art. Now the question is, how can you enhance the appearance of my TV wall? A modern option is a media wall, which allows you to mount a flat-screen television while showcasing other media components, such as speakers, gaming consoles, and record players. Media walls are typically installed above an existing fireplace or with a new inset fireplace. It's wise to seek professional advice on installation, stud walls, and electrical work. Additionally, media walls serve as excellent storage solutions by keeping all your entertainment devices organized in one area. While they can occupy a significant amount of space, they are customizable to fit more compact rooms with the right design. Keep in mind, though, they can be expensive, with installation costs ranging from £2,000 to £4,000, according to Checkatrade. Another popular idea is to recess a television within built-in cabinetry. By incorporating your TV into a unit, the technology can blend into the overall room scheme, preventing it from becoming the focal point. This approach is particularly beneficial in smaller living rooms, as it helps streamline the space while maximizing vertical wall space and utilizing alcoves effectively. If bespoke units or a media wall aren't your preference, you might consider simply mounting the TV on a wall or using a stand to create a feature with a backdrop, such as wallpaper or an artistic paint effect, adding cohesive interest to the room. This option is also budget-friendly. In this case, investing in cable trunking and tidy boxes can help conceal unsightly wires. From innovative built-in solutions to stylish backdrops, these TV wall ideas will elevate your living space.